Hello everyone. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Yung nasa Pilipinas, good morning. Today is August 23, 2021. Shout out to Team Mercy. Thank you very much for your support. And shout out to Ron Rin Sabado Vlog. Thank you very much for your support. Pasensya po kayo, grabe nagsala po dito, no? Maingay po yung ano natin. I-mute mo muna natin, no? Kasi nagsala po. Thank you, Ronin Sabado Vlog. Thank you very much. Pasensya na po kasi nagsara po dito, no? Yung ano, malapit na kami sa may dasala, no? Thank you very much, Ronin Sabado Vlog, for your support to Team Mercy. Thank you very much. Today, silipin po natin yung ating market. Last Friday, tingnan po natin yun na nasa resistant area. So, tingnan natin kung bumalik ba yung ating level ng market, nag-pullback ba. Nasa resistant ng nakaraang Friday. But before we proceed, this is only a disclaimer that there is no recommendation to buy, to sell, or to hold your position if you have shares of the companies that we are going to discuss today. The purpose of this discussion is only for educational purposes to study the support and resistance. So we know that support and resistance is very much important here in the stock market. So it depends on your strategy. Kasi every trader, we have a different strategy. So for me, I am a swing trader. So ang gagamitin ko na chart ay daily and weekly. So mayroon po kasing apat na traders nandito, no? Yung tinatawag natin na daily traders, mayroon po tayong swing trader, position trader, and we have also long-term or investor, no? So for me, as I belong to swing trader kasi may trabaho pa ako, no? Shout out to Engineer Rito Corpus and Engineer Virgilio Magna, to Engineer Peter Dominic and Engineer Edwin Vergara and Dave Maipan and Reddington. Shout out to MHC Delhin. Thank you for your support. To Engineer Jonas Espijo and Eric Ribolano, no? Thank you for your support. To Ron Rin Sabado and Team Mercy and MHC Delhin. So let's go to the PCI chart. Kung tingnan natin yung PCI chart, tingnan natin palagi yung long-term na movement ng level ng market or PC or price, no? So dito, nauntog yung price. Then, nauntog dito. Then, of course, this is a resistant. So, pag resistant yan, yan ang ating i-monitor in the next time na kung ang price ay pupunta or tataas on that area. Kasi there is a possibility that the price ay mag-fall back kung nasa resistant area. So this is the long-term resistance of our Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So if ever tumaas yung ating market, ito po yung titingnan natin na resistant line. Kung ma-break po ni PSTI. But currently, still nasa ilalim pa rin, nasa baba pa rin yung level ng ating PCI index. So ang gagawin natin ngayon, magawa tayo ng another line, yung resistant, incline resistant. Ito possible, i-connect natin yung mga high, i-connect natin dyan. So, this is the line that we need to see. Kung ma-break yan, dito yan pupunta sa next resistant line above. So, tingnan natin dito, nauntog yung price dyan. So, when the level of PCI going up from this area, nauntog po yan. So, possible na kung tataas yung ating market, mauuntog din dyan. Tingnan natin itong linya na ito. So, ngayon, nasa resistant area, last Friday, as we discussed, nag-pull back po yung ating market last Friday by 1.27%. So kung tingnan natin ngayon, magtingin tayo ng horizontal support, dito nauntog, may bounce, dito nag-reject. So it means this area here, possible, this is the support area. So, tingnan natin kung mag-hold itong area na ito. And if ever mag-hold yan, we will see this line kung may rejection because this is a resistant line. So, pwede rin tayo magawa ng support. Connect lang natin yung nasa ilalim, yung every bounce, and this one also nag-bounce here. This one also nag-bounce. So, we will connect this line. So, this is the support area. Incline support. So, tingnan natin itong incline support na if ever bumagsak yung ating market on this area na hindi ma-break itong incline support. Kasi kung ma-break yan, of course, there's another, mag-iba po yung movement ng market. If ever, itong incline support ay ma-break ni BSC. Yun lang po yung aking point of view dito, no? Kasi every traders, we have different analysis. But for me, this is my analysis for the PCI. Mayroon pa tayong horizontal support dito kasi dito nauntog. Pag mauntog yan, resistant, no? Kung ma-break yan, tingnan natin kung yung price babalik diyan sa area na yan, itong resistant magiging support. So nakita natin dito, nag-bounce yung level ng PCI. So ngayon, bumaba dito, ito yung previous support, dito nag-bounce. Dito nag-bounce din kasi previous support to. Incline support. So ngayon, ang tingnan natin itong horizontal support area na mag-hold. If ever mag-hold yan, kung angat yan, ito yung incline resistant naman, ang titingnan natin itong line na ito. Kung may rejection. But, ano lang yan, no? Ito lang yung mga resistant na titingnan natin kasi ang major resistant itong line na ito. This line. Kung ma-break yan ni PCI, so it is good, no? But for now, nasa support area, horizontal support. Tingnan natin yan na hindi ma-break ni PCI. Kung ma-break yan, we will expect this incline support. So, yun lang po yung abangan natin na every time, so klarong-klaro na pag ang price or level ng market ay nasa support, there's a possibility that there is a bounce. But not all the time na mag-bounce din yung ating market. Tingnan din natin yung incline support or horizontal support na mag-hold. Kasi kung ma-break yan, of course, possible pababa yung level ng ating market. So, currently, we'll monitor this horizontal support area. But last Friday, as we discussed, nandito yung market natin level, nasa resistant area. So there's a possibility na mag-pull back. So ngayon, nag-pull back yung ating last Friday, no? Nag-pull back siya ng 1.27 during the closing hour. So yung nag-close na, nag-pull back yung market ng 1.27%. So ngayon, nag-bounce naman. So we'll watch this horizontal support area na hindi ma-break ni PCI. Shout out to Living Simple Lifestyle. Thank you very much for your support. To MH Idilhin and Ron Ren Sabado Vlog, thank you very much. So let us check the stock here. The first one is IBER. Ito po yung mga nire-request na stock, pero may point of view lang to, sarili ko lang point of view sa mga stock na ito. So it's depend on your strategy. So let us check IBER. Si IBER ay nandito sa may na-break, kasi currently na-break po itong resistance. Resistance niya nauntog dito. But for me, I will not be aggressive until there is a pullback on this area. So tingnan natin sa sunod, baka pagkatapos ng closing, mag-closing market, baka mag-pullback. So kung mag-pullback yan, dito yan sa may incline support, ito yung titingnan natin. Ito yung incline support kasi nag-bounce dito, no? Then dito nag-bounce. So na-break mo niya. Kung nakabili kayo dito, then you have a 21% gain now. Almost 22%. But for now, nandito sa may resistance area, hintayin na lang natin na mag-pull back yung price dito sa may horizontal support area. Kasi baka babalik yung price, kasi yung trading natin until 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So kung mag-close yung market tapos babalik yung price, mauntog dyan, dito yan pupunta sa may incline support. So maiwanan po kayo dyan. So hintayin natin, kung umakyat siya, there is a pullback on this horizontal support. Kasi nahuli po tayo, no? Mahirap po maghabol kung nahuli na tayo sa pagbili. So hindi po natin kailangan habulin yung price kasi nasa taas na. So next one, we will see itong si APL, no? Tinignan natin yung nakaraan. Nasa resistant area na si APL. Dito nauntog yung price, nasa resistant area. So dapat ingat-ingat po tayo diyan kung bumili tayo. Kasi nasa resistant area yung price ni APL. Dito nauntog, no? Resistant, mag-pull back. Ngayon, nasa resistant na naman, baka possible there is a pullback again for APL. So, hintayin na lang natin kung may breakout and they will create another pattern after he break this incline resistance. So, ngayon, for me, I will not be aggressive kasi nasa resistant area si APL. So, congrats na nakabili dito sa my support area. Mayroon na kayong gain na 19%. Okay? So, next one, we will see MWIDE. So, yung nagtatanong po sa MWIDE, tingnan natin si MWIDE. Shout out to Lon Salabi and Team RC. Thank you very much to Living Simple Lifestyle. Si MWIDE, kung tingnan natin, mayroon pa rin incline resistant on this area. Hindi pa rin na break ito. Dito natin titingnan, dito support, nag-hold yan, no? Yung support na yan. So kung ma-break yung incline resistant and then there's a pullback to this area, this is the area we need to watch. This is the time we need to watch for MWIDE. But for now, MWIDE, nauntog, they try to break this incline resistant, minor incline resistant, but nag-pullback. So, hintay-hintay tayo kung aakyat dyan and then there's a pullback on this incline support. So, batayin natin si MWIDE kung umakyat na naman siya ngayon, nasa resistant area, no? So, we'll monitor if there is a pullback on this area. If ever, ma-break na itong incline resistant. So next one I will see PCOR, si Petron, no? So tingnan natin si Petron kung ano po yung price movement ni Petron. Si Petron, ito yung incline support kasi nag-hold naman yung support yan, nag-bounce dito. So nandito sa may resistant area, minor resistant area, kasi nauntog po diyan, no? Hindi po na-break. So ngayon, nag-try siya ma-break itong horizontal resistance, no? This minor horizontal resistance. So still okay pa naman si Petron, no? Kung nakabili kayo dito, just watch this incline support na hindi ma-break ni Petron. Kasi kung ma-break yan, of course, dito na naman ang direction ni Petron. If ever, ma-break po itong incline support. So kung nakabili ka dito, as I said, just hold it and monitor this incline support na hindi ma-break ni PCOR. So PCOR, Petron Corporation. Let us see another one here, no? This is my share, the one I shared to you, the BEC, no? Last time, as I said, I hold my BEC share because nakita ko na may nag-hold pa naman itong support. So ngayon, nasa 0.6 na yung si BEC. So hintayin ko lang muna kung mauntog dito sa may area na ito, no? Sa 0.62. Tingnan ko lang, no? Kung may rejection on this area. Kasi kung may rejection diyan, then of course, I will sell my shares. Thank you very much na for living simple lifestyle. So tingnan natin another one, IRC, yung kung ano na po nangyari ni IRC. Si IRC, so makita natin dito, klarong-klaro, no, sa chart, nauntog diyan. When the price going up, nauntog ulit, so it means resistant area. Ngayon, bumalik yung price, nasa resistant area naman. So antay tayo kung may breakout on this incline resistant. If ever there is no breakout, and then there's a pullback, we need to watch again in this support area. Kasi babalik yan dito sa my area na ito. So next one, we will see GSMI, Ginebra, San Miguel. Si Ginebra, San Miguel, kung tingnan natin yan, nasaan yung support ni Ginebra, San Miguel? This one, kasi may bounce. Draw a line, and then monitor when the price mag-pull back. Tingnan kung may bounce. Dito nag-pull back, so may bounce. So this is the confirmed incline support. Now, ito yung resistance kasi nauntog yan, hindi naka-break. Nang nag-pull back yung price dito sa may support, tumaas na dito lang din sa may resistant area. So kaya nga, iwasan natin na magbili ng shares kung nasa resistant area. Kasi there's a possibility na may pullback. So nag-pullback ulit, nag-bounce ulit, at last August 19, na-break po itong incline resistant. Na-break. So ngayon, antayin natin kung may pullback dito sa area na ito. Kasi malayo yan, no? Kung babalik yan dito sa may support area, malayo yan. So antayin tayo kung may pullback. Kasi napakataas yung angat ni GSMI last August 19. So we'll wait if there's a pullback on this area. Lalo na kung mag-touch naman siya dito sa may incline support. So ganyan na. So no need to be aggressive kung nasa resistant area yung price. So next I will see CIC. Ano na po yung price movement ni CIC. So tingnan natin yung overall na price movement ni CIC. Ito yung incline, resistant kasi nauntog diyan. Tumaas, nauntog. Dito na break. Ngayon nag-sideway si CIC. So there's a good for me, indicators that may recovery kasi nag-sideway. But as of now, mayroon po minor resistance on this area here. So kailangan ma-break po yan. For me, I will not aggressive until it will break this incline resistance kasi baka ma-break po itong horizontal support area kasi nag-create po siya ng bearish pattern. If ever tumaas yan, kung may rejection dito sa may incline resistant, mag-pullback dito sa support, I will not be aggressive because he will create a bearish pattern. So I will wait if there is a breakout of this incline resistance. So, but for now, still okay pa naman si CIC. Just monitor this horizontal support area na hindi ma-break ni CIC. Kung nakabili kayo dito na area. So just hold that area. Just wait and monitor na hindi ma-break itong horizontal support area. But for me, I will wait if there is a breakout of this incline support resistance. Tingnan natin si CHP, si CMIX. Ano po yung ano ni CMIX? Now, si CMIX, kung makita nyo dito, no? Ito pa rin ang main resistant area ni CMIX. Malayo pa yung price ni CHP. So ngayon, nag-create naman siya dito ng bago. Nauntog din, hindi naman umabot, no? Ngayon, nag-create na naman dito na other incline resistant. Ito, nauntog yan. Nang tumaas yung price, nauntog din dito, no? Nang tumaas, nauntog din. Ngayon, tingnan natin nasaan? Nasa resistant area. So kung tanong, aggressive ba kayo? For me, I will not. Kasi nandiyan sa resistant area. Anong gagawin natin? I will wait if there is a breakout of this incline resistant. Hindi po ako maging aggressive whatever nasa resistant area. Klarong-klaro yan. Nasa resistant area, there's a pullback on this area. Dumikit na sa linya si CHP. So it means, hindi niya ma-break itong incline resistant, there is another pullback for CHP. So, tingnan lang natin yung price kung nasaan. Nasa resistant, don't be aggressive. Si OB, wala pa rin si OB, no? Nag-sideway movement lang si OB. So, wala tayong makita ni OB. So, just we will see kung aakyat ulit sa dito na area, si above on this area, si OB. But for now, wala pa rin, no? Yung movement ni OB. We'll see the last one, FLI. Si Fill and Best, no? Kung tingnan natin yung long-term na pattern ni Fill and Best, ito yung resistant because dito yung may rejection, no? Ngayon, malayo yan, no? Possible na kung may umangat yung price, aabot din dyan, no? But for now, we need to focus first here. Ano ba yung ginagawa ni FLI dito? Ito may untog. Dito nag-retrace. So, of course, ang gagawin nyo lang, draw incline line. Okay? I-draw lang ng incline. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung resistant. Kasi may pullback. Ngayon, dito, tingnan natin sa baba, kung may support ba. Dito may support, no? I-draw natin, yung mga, yan lang, no? Okay. I-connect lang yung mga lows, no? So, as of now, okay pa naman si FLI. Unless na mag-hold itong horizontal support. No, incline support rather, this line. Kasi kung hindi yan mag-hold, dito yan pupunta. This line, this area here. So for me, if you buy here in the bottom area, you can hold and now just monitor this incline support na hindi ma-break ni FLI. Kasi dito yan pupunta. So kung mag-hold yan, then hindi pa naman hindi ma-break yung incline support, then still okay. Just monitor that incline support. So I hope you learned something about this discussion. Ganyan lang po, no? Kung nasa support yung price, yan po ang babantayan natin kung may bounce. Thank you very much. Loves you. Thank you very much for your support, no? Shout out to Loves You and to Lone sa Labi, to Living Simple Lifestyle, and to MHC Delhain, and to Mercy. Thank you for your support. To Ronin Sabado, thank you very much. Loves you, just request what stock we need to see para maano natin dito sa my chart. Tingnan natin sa chart. So, ito yung mga most active Jollibee. Most active po si Jollibee ngayon. Si Vol, si top gainers is si Kip, no? 17.81%. Yung top losers naman as of 10:13 in the morning, si Kat, yung top loser. So, magbago po ito no, until 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We'll see Blom, no? Has started by Loves You, si Bloomberry Resort Corporation. Okay. Ito yung movement ni Bloomberry. Klarong-klaro na itong Bloomberry, itong pattern na ito, ang sinusunod ni Bloomberry. Bumaba, tumaas na untog, bumaba dito sa may support. Support po ito kasi dito, nauntog yung price, nag-bounce. So it means, we need to expect if the price, if ever mag-pull back dito sa area na ito, we'll expect that there is also bounce. Dito, may bounce. Kasi support po yan. Resistant dito, support, support. Nag-bounce, pero alam natin na itong area, itong incline resistant. Tumaas. So, umabot siya dito. So, on this area, we don't want to be aggressive kasi nandito sa may resistant area. Nag-pull back. And I will try to bounce again. Nag-pull back din, na-reject din. So, ngayon, umabot dito sa ilalim. Dito yung support. So, it means, we'll expect that there's a bounce in this area. There is a bounce in this area. But the issue now, this is the previous support. This is the previous support. Ano pong mangyari nito? Ito po yung magiging resistant. Kung ma-break po yung support, ito po yung magiging resistant. Ito na yung area na titingnan natin, yung level, no? Pagdating dito, na-break po ni Blom. So, nag-bounce, ano nangyari? Nagiging resistant, nag-pull back. So, ngayon, mag-bounce ulit, nasa resistant na naman si Bloomberry. Nandito sa may horizontal resistance, this line. So, this support, kung ma-break, magiging resistant. So, for me, now, I will not be aggressive. If ever, hindi niya ma-break po itong horizontal support or resistant area. Kung ma-break man yan, it's good. Possible, he will go back to this incline resistant. If ever ma-break ni Bloom itong horizontal resistant, possible dito yan pupunta sa linya na yan, no? Si Bloomberry. So, we'll speak another pullback kung umabot si Bloomberry dito sa area nito. Kung ma-break po na itong horizontal resistant. If ever, kasi last Friday, nireject na po niya yung horizontal resistance dito. If ever, hindi siya maka-break dyan, ano mangyayari niyan? Dito na naman sa baba yan. So, yan ang ano natin dyan sa may Bloomberry. But for now, if you want to buy shares, we don't want to be aggressive kasi nandito sa may resistant area. Antay tayo ng pullback or may breakout dito sa area and then mag-hold kung ma-break po itong horizontal resistance. So, yun po ang mangyayari ni Bloomberry. So, si BPI, no? Si BPI, tingnan natin si BPI. Thank you very much sa Living Simple Lifestyle, BPI. Okay? Ngayon, ito po yung chart. Dapat palakihan natin tingnan natin yung mga ano nangyari sa previous price action ni BPI. So, litan natin, okay. Ngayon, it is good for BPI kasi ito po yung major incline resistance. So, na-break po ni BPI this major incline resistance. This is good. Kasi na-break niya, then there's a possibility na angat yung price. Umangat naman siya, pero ngayon nag-sideway movement lang si BPI. So, currently, if you see the incline, this line, ito po yung nagiging resistance. Kasi dito, nag-bouncing price, so it means support. So, incline, support. Ito. Ngayon, nang na-break ni BPI, nagiging resistant. So, yun lang po yan. Pag ma-break yung resistant, if there is a pullback, magiging support. Kung ma-break yung support, pag mag-going bounce, going up, magiging resistant. So, naging resistant po yung line na ito ni BPI. Dapat, babalik si BPI above on this incline line, this incline resistant. So, if ever, hindi babalik si BPI dito, ito naman yung possible na direction ni BPI. Itong area na ito. Kasi, ito po yung previous support. Kung mag-draw tayo ng minor incline line, i-project natin ha. Okay. Kung tingnan natin yan, nandiyan pa rin sa may minor incline resistant. Kaya nga gusto ko na babalik si BPI above on this incline resistant, this line. Kasi kung babalik yan, ito yung target natin pag babalik. Itong linya na yan. But for now, nasa ilalim ng incline resistant, there's a possibility, kung hindi ma-break yan, dito pupunta yan si BPI. So, ganyan lang po yung ating analysis dito sa may stock market, support and resistance. So, ngayon, nasa resistance si BPI and nasa incline resistance din ni minor. Dapat ma-break na yan kasi kung hindi ma-break, there's a possibility that BPI will going back to the horizontal support area. So for me, hindi po ako aggressive yan kasi nasa resistant area. Hintayin ko ma-break yung resistant. Kung hindi ma-break, hintayin ko mag-pull back niyan sa may support area, yung horizontal support area. Thank you, Juster. Actually, Juster, thank you very much for your support. And I hope you learned something about this discussion, support and resistance. So, don't be aggressive if nasa support. Ang problema kasi sa mga traders, kung may pira na pangbili, hanap ng mga stock kung ano mabibili. Gustong-gustong bumili kagad, no? For your information, we need to have patience here in the stock market. We need to wait kung mag-pullback sa support, always in the support area. Kasi kung nasa resistance, bili ka na lang bili, nasa resistance pala, and the next day, bumalik yung price pababa, maiwanan kayo diyan sa taas. So yun lang po ang pinaka-importante sa chart. Dapat tingnan natin yung support, nasaan yung resistance, kasi importante po yan. If you master this support and resistance, of course, possible you gain in the stock market. Pero it's depend, but for me, I am a swing trader. So every time there is a swing of the price, this is the time I need to enter if there is a bounce. Hintayin ko kung ilang araw kung mag-bounce, then I will buy, no? If may bounce sa support. Currently, yung BPI ay nasa 82.90 pesos per share. Pero kung long-term investor po kayo, no? Kung nakabalik kayo dito sa area na ito, then it is good also. Because yung bumaba yung price, currently you have 38%. Kung long-term investor po kayo. Okay. So, I hope kung swing trader, it's good. Kasi every swing, tumaas yung price, katulad nito, no? Isang swing yan, no? Itong area na ito, isang swing yan. So, you buy here in the support kasi nag-bounce, so you have a 9% or 8% profit. And then, pagdating sa resistance, ibenta mo yan, wait another and wait for another fallback. Okay lang yan naman yun, no? Kasi yung mga blue chip company, angat naman yan. Okay. So I hope you learned something about this discussion. I think I need to end. Kasi trabaho na naman, no? Shout out to Islam Udin Tuyub, to Tariq Abdulashik, and Gulpam Bapari, no? To Red Reddington and to Minard Castro, no? To my nephew, Engineer Elias John Gloria, to Engineer Kenneth Akas and Engineer Ria Elizabeth Gloria. No? Thank you very much. Okay lang yan na love sa iyo, babawi din yan. Basta kung malaki-laki na yung baba, then hintay lang na lang. Kasi paper loss lang naman yan. Kasi kung ibibenta mo yan, it will become a real loss na yan. So paper loss lang yan. Thank you very much sa MSD Delia Kakananda. Thank you very much, no, for your support. So I will go. Thank you very much for your support, and dito lang, no, kasi trabaho na naman. Thank you to the Mercy, to Ron Rin Sabado Vlog. Thank you very much. To MH Idelhin, Living Simple Lifestyle. Thank you for your support. To Lon Salabi. And to Loves You, no? Thank you very much. Si Loves You po ay nag-i-stock market din po, no? Si X-Duster, thank you. Okay, thank you for your support. Okay, and ingat-ingat po tayo palagi, no? Okay, that's all for today. We will see you in the next live. Thank you very much, and God bless us all always.